Hey guys, it is me, Anthony Jones, and today we've got a big project on our hands. Of course, this is December 26th, the day after Christmas. I had a fantastic Christmas. I hope you guys had a fantastic Christmas, because I definitely did, because I got a ton of really cool stuff that is gonna help me build my ultimate desk setup. Let's check out some of the stuff I got. So right here I got a IKEA desk, the Lindman, I'm pretty sure, tabletop. Yes, there it is, the Lindman. And then the Alex drawer units that go underneath of it. So this is going to be a really cool desk. It's all going to be white, which will be nice. Got a MSI Optics Mag 24C monitor to replace my 32-inch TV. Got myself a Razer Tartarus version 2 keypad, a Black Widow Tournament Edition keyboard, and as well a mouse bungee by Razer. And one of the coolest parts of this is going to be that SSD right there, the Samsung, because right now I only have a hard drive in my computer, and that's going to be really cool to see how fast my computer will be once I get that SSD in there. Real quick, let's go upstairs and show basically what all we're going to be doing with that stuff. Alright, so now we are upstairs in the game room, and I can just flip out the screen here. So of course this is my old desk setup with my gaming chair. Let me move this out of the way so you can actually see the whole entire thing. And as you can tell, the wooden old style desk doesn't really just match these like really nice white shelving units that we have. We even got a little IKEA Alex drawer unit holding up the arcade machine. And then we got all those other game shelves holding miscellaneous retro video games. So it's going to be really nice and really cool to have a desk that matches all that. And as well, with the Lindman desk that we got, it will be longer than this one, and we'll finally be able to take the PC, instead of having it in that cupboard right there, we'll finally have it on top of the desk. We're going to be keeping that MSI monitor, the AG32C, really awesome monitor. And then we're going to be replacing the JVC with that Mag 24C, which will be awesome. The dual curved monitor. To replace my old school IBM, even though I love this thing, it's amazing. I'm going to be replacing it with that Black Widow Tournament Edition, of course. Going to replace my old Razer Tartarus version 1 with the version 2. And everything will hopefully look good. Oh, and of course, the mouse bungee to help out with the cable, because right now I got some tape running back there so that it doesn't wear out my cable. But yes, that is gonna be awesome. Of course, the SSD in the computer is gonna make it so much faster, and it's gonna be awesome. Now, what you're going to be thinking is, what are we going to be doing with this old desk that is really nice condition, and just, what, throwing it away? No, of course not. We're going to be actually reusing this desk, and we're going to be putting that in my bedroom, and we're going to be pairing it up with, let me move the chair over, we're going to be pairing it up with that old CyberPower PC I have on the ground there. We're going to be taking that old 32-inch TV, we're going to be plugging that in to the CyberPower, and yeah, we're going to make a whole entire desk setup down there, which will be awesome. So let me go down there and actually show you where all that stuff is going to go. Alright, so now we are in my bedroom. There has been, let me just tell you, there has been a lot of changes to my bedroom, and I'll actually have some pictures. We don't have any video of the old bedroom and kind of like the changes that we did, but we do have some pictures, so I might put those up right here now. and just get you a perspective of it. But these walls actually used to be a dark purple. Now they are a really nice white. We got those black curtains right there with a new ceiling fan, which is really, really nice. I got my shelves over here, which are really awesome. Got all my camera gear on this like TV-ish stand thing. And what is really cool, and what's something that we have never really actually tried before, is smart house lighting, or just smart everything in a house. So, real quick, I have gotten the Google Home Mini, and as well I got the Mercury Smart Wi-Fi LED bulbs. These things are awesome. I've got them installed right there. So let me just say, hey Google, turn the lights to blue.
Sure, changing the lights to blue.
That is sick. Okay Google, turn off the lights.
You got it, turning the green lights off.
Okay Google, turn the lights back to white.
You got it, changing the green lights to white.
And it's just as easy as that. These things, when they're just normal white lights as well, super duper bright. I love LED lights. They just make this whole entire room just bounce with light, especially the white walls. So, where are we gonna be putting that desk? Well, as you can see, I got this setup right here for my NES, but that is where the new desk is gonna go with the CyberPower PC and everything. I think I'm also gonna put my CRT TV and NES and set that up as well on the desk, kind of like in a weird dual monitor setup fashion. And I think it's gonna look really, really cool. So, yep, a great way of repurposing all that old stuff that we have up there. Instead of just throwing it away or giving it away, why not reuse it? So, let's, I guess, finally end it here, and let's get into the actual disassembling and setup process.